Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make whipping cream at home. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You will need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, which should have at least 36% milk fat. Also, prepare 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are well chilled before you begin. Now, let's start whipping. Pour the cold, heavy cream into your chilled bowl. Begin mixing on a low speed for about 30 seconds to incorporate some air. Then, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Keep whipping steadily, moving the whisk around the bowl to ensure even aeration. You will notice the cream starting to thicken and form soft peaks. Achieving the right consistency is key. Soft peaks will hold their shape but still have a gentle curl at the tip when you lift the whisk. For stiff peaks, continue whipping until the cream stands straight up. Be very careful not to overwhip, as the cream can quickly turn grainy and then separate into butter and buttermilk. Stop as soon as your desired consistency is reached. To add flavor, gently fold in your half teaspoon of vanilla extract or any other desired flavorings, like a touch of cocoa powder or citrus zest. Your fresh homemade whipping cream is now ready to enjoy. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For the best quality, try to use it within 2 to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.